Greetings everyone, Reed here. And I was facing a problem on something like that, and I had to go hunt for a new tool to solve my issue. And when I went searching for it, there were a bazillion options out there. So I spent many hours, way more than I like, looking at everything closely, looking at the reviews and all that stuff before ordering my selection. And once I got it, I was very happy with what I picked out. And I want to share what I picked out to solve my problem. What's my problem? Well, I bought some new sights because my eyes are getting more cranky and the default sights on this Ruger stink. So we're going to swap out the sights and such. So I needed a sight pushing tool. The only thing was I didn't have one and stuff. And I wasn't going to get, a punch tool and a hammer and kind of jimmy this in the vise and go whack, whack, whack. I wanted to be a little nicer to the poor thing and not scratch everything up and all that. So I went looking around. And I found a tool from sighttool.com that was sold on Amazon, which was actually really handy because I often don't like putting my credit card numbers into other random sites because I've had my credit card numbers stolen a billion times and it drives me absolutely up the wall. And, I usually Amazon decent enough, so I ordered it from Amazon and I'll put a link down in the description. And if you order it from the link down in the description, I'll actually maybe get 50 cents. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe actually a penny, probably a penny, whatever. But it'd help out the channel if you do decide to order it and you just do it from the link in the description. I'd appreciate it. Helpful on that. Because, I'm not getting any help from YouTube, so it'd be nice to be able to at least buy a new mic or something eventually after a year. Anyways, there's my pity party for the moment. Let's show you the tool. All right, so this is what you get. Yeah, it looks a little rough around the edges, but this thing is well machined. And it is solid build. I'm really happy with that. Okay, let's switch over to close-up of the darn thing. And it comes with an Allen wrench, and these pieces come out, okay? And this is what's gonna do the pushing. Now what's really nice is this side here has a chamfer. And if you look like on a Glock, see, here's a Glock slide. See, there's a chamfer here. It means that we're not gonna, tear the holy heck out of this sight when we're pushing it. That's really good. Now the Ruger over here, we have a flat end, okay? So this other side will do the pushing for us. Now these are what hold the slide side to side, and they're sort of a plastic. They've got a coating on them. I like this, means I probably won't scratch everything up. And then this lets us adjust and get everything, the sight held up and down really well. So let me mount everything in, and I'll show you, and then we're gonna push this sight off this Ruger, and you see what's going on. Okay, everyone, I got this all mounted in here. You can see that this is pushed up flat side up against the sight. We have this ready to push this way. This is disengaged, so the side's up this way. This side is pushing it to keep it in check. All right, here we got this holding it down here. So in position. All right, so everything's there. Now let's go ahead and try pushing the side off and see if it actually works. Get a grip. It's actually, the first break of the friction just took a little bit, wasn't too bad. And it's coming out just fine. There it goes. And now I got the old sight out. That worked great. Like I said, I've been messing with this. I really like this tool. The machining on it's really nice. I do like how well it works. I've been messing with it and stuff. And this is going to serve me very well for fixing sights on some of my others so that my tired eyes are not nearly as angry at me. So hopefully this is helpful to you guys. If you want to buy a sight tool to replace sights or adjust the sights, this is a really good option. And like I said, the link is down in the description. If you order it from my little link down there, I'll get a couple pennies. All right, everyone. Have a great day. This is Reed, out for now.